Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with Ishant. And today I'm back with another question of JEE Advanced 2026 paper. And this question is from the chemistry section and from the chapter Atomic Structure. One of the easiest question of chemistry paper. So let us look the question. Question is saying Xa and Yb plus are hydrogen-like species. The wavelength of light absorbed during the transmission between the states with the principal quantum numbers n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2 of x is lambda. The wavelength of light absorbed during the transition between the states with principal quantum numbers n is equals to 2 and 4 is yb plus 9 lambda, and the lowest possible value of a plus b. Okay. So the question is saying in hydrogen-like species, the wavelength of the light absorbed in the transition between the states with principal quantum numbers 1 and 2 of x. X absorbs the light from n equal to 1 to 2. The wavelength is lambda. Okay, and for y it's n is equal to 2 to 4, and the wavelength absorbed is 9 lambda. Then we have to find the lowest possible value of a plus b. Okay. This question is based on one of the famous formulas which you learn initially in the chapter of atomic structure. It is one of the famous formula 1 by lambda is Rz square 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Clear? Now, first of all, we would write for x a plus, we can write this. See, for x, the wavelength absorbed is lambda only, so 1 by lambda, and r, what is z? Z is the atomic number. So for this, let us assume the atomic number for x is be zx, zx ka whole square, and what is the transition states which it's making? N is equal to 1 to n is equal to 2. So n1 is 1, 1 upon 1 square minus 1 upon 2 square. This is, let me simplify it, so it would be 1 by lambda is r into zx ka whole square 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 by 4. So 3 r zx square by 4. Okay, so lambda is coming out to be 4 upon 3 r zx whole square. This is the equation number 1 for x. Okay, now similarly for y you can write the equation for y b plus. Now the wavelength is 9 lambda. So substitute lambda is equals to 9 lambda. 1 by 9 lambda is equals to r. Assuming the atomic number of yb plus atom is zy rz square. What is the states between it's making a transition? N is equal to 2 to n is equals to 4. So 1 upon 2 square means 4 minus 1 upon 4 square means 16. Simplify it. It would be nothing but r into zy squared 1 by 4, and this would be 3 by 4. Is it 3 by 16? 3 by 16. Okay, and this is 1 by 9 lambda. Okay, so 9 lambda will be 16 upon 3 r zy whole square. This is equation number 2. Now you need to take the ratios of equation number 1 and 2. So you will get a beautiful relation. Taking the ratios of 1 and 2. So lambda upon 9 lambda is equals to 4 upon 3 r zx square into 3 r zy square upon 16. Okay. R cancel, 3 cancel, 4 4 is 16, lambda cancel. So 1 upon 9 is equals to zy square upon 4 would be go to the LHS. So this would be 4 by 9 into zx square. So the relation is zx upon zy is what? 3 by 2. This is the relation. For the atomic number, the relation came zx upon zy is equals to 3 by 2. Now, what we need to find? We need to find the lowest possible value of a plus b. Okay, so let me do it further. You can see this. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Now see, we've got the relation. Okay, what was the relation? Zx upon zy is 3 by 2. Okay, this is the relation. Now you need to find the maximum possible value of a plus and b. Okay, for x a plus, see, this is a hydrogen-like species. Okay, so the atomic number of hydrogen would be one only. Now, what you need to find? You need to find this electronic charge on this x atom. So for hydrogen-like species, the for x a plus, what would be the electronic charge? It would be Zx minus 1, because a plus is there. So if plus is there, you need to do minus 1. If there was a minus, then you need to do plus 1. Okay. And for the maximum possible, for the minimum value, for the minimum possible values, Zx should be 3 only and Zy should be 2 only. Okay. Okay. And similarly for y b plus, this would be simply what? Zy, atomic number of y minus 1, because the plus charge is there on the y atom, so we need to do minus 1. Just substituting the values, 3 minus 1, this would be 2. So here we got the value of a, which is 2, and from here we got 2 minus 1, this is 1, we got the value of b. So these are the two values of a and b. So you need to do a plus b, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So the answer for this question is what? 3. This was one of the easiest question, and I don't think so any confusion would be there, because it is simply based on the formula. Yeah, you need to just remember this thing which was there, or you can do it like this also, like Zx and Zy. Okay, so what would be Zy? What would be the element Zy? Here Zy atomic number is second, so it would be helium plus only. Helium plus atom would be Zy, and what would be Zx? The atomic number Zx is what? 3. So what is third element in the periodic table? Hydrogen, helium, lithium. So it would be lithium 2 plus. From here also you can compare. It is Xa. It is Yb plus, and this is Xa plus. Okay, you can compare from here the atomic charge, the electronic charge on their atom, on this atom. So from here, if we compare from lithium, so A is 2 and B is 1. You can go like this also, you can go like this also, answer would be same. Okay, so that is for this video. I hope you liked my video. If you like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Tab tak ke liye, goodbye.